Take Two tixtieq tirringrazzja lil Hansa Wines and Spirits, onlineintimates.com, Nokla, Customize Nation, Snow White Meat and Poultry Market, Eden Cinemas, Fior di Vita, OK Home, CMYK, Donut King.
We started.
You told him my name, but he forgot you told him my name.
Now I just found out your name.
You're
Why?
so sweet.
So, Valentina.
Mela, ħanajdu l-istorja.
This is Valentina. Fantastic name, by the way. And this is her mommy.
X'isima?
With an ugly name.
He forgot? He forgot
name.
already.
Very nice,
Already he forgot. Isa.
It's
Help
okay.
him, Val.
Yeah.
Janica.
Bravo.
Janica, okay.
Bravo.
You can call her Jan.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I forgot your mother's name because I heard your name and I loved it.
I love Valentina.
So, yeah.
Isma, ma l-lum ħanamlu xaġġana speċjali.
Ekku.
Għedin between season 2, season 3.
Okay, that's her. That's the girl. All right.
U Janica kitbitin, intom tara segwi l-podcast.
Don't talk to me like that. Ew.
Din kollu għadeja.
Sessi.
I like doing this.
Sessi part of it.
Okay.
U kitbitin, għatina l-istoria
Come on, babes.
taħaw ta' Valentina.
Eva. So, Janica, can mommy speak? Let mommy speak.
Mamma ħatajdinna l-istoria.
Mela, Janica, għajdinna l-istoria. Xini?
La 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 la.
Mela jien pratikament eżatt bħalma tinti Abigail, jien avviċinajtkom because jiena nemmen li good kind words deserves a big shout out.
Okay.
Issa fil-każ ta' Valentina, she was born deaf. Ovvjament, it was a long journey. M'għaddix kollox ta' m'għaddi għadda l-kbir. Fejn kellna ngħaddu minn żewġ operazzjonijiet
Okay.
komplikati.
Okay.
Fejn Valentina
Kemm kellha żmien?
Vale kella 1 year 4 months, l-ewwel waħda. U issa vera recently last year.
Can we know about this magic ear? Because mommy was telling me that you have a magic ear.
So I was deaf.
Completely deaf.
Very deaf. I could
Okay.
hear nothing.
Okay.
My nana, when I was only like 1 year old,
Exactly.
my nana was just shouting for me. So I had to wake up. And then
And then what happened then? Tell us, say, come on.
she went to the doctor to Jack. And the doctor said she's deaf.
Because your nana was calling and you weren't. Wait,
I was always sleeping.
Okay, because you could. Okay.
Kemm ħelwa.
And then they said I did an operation. I had to cut here, do a magnet. And this is a magnet that's out. And this, it holds the magnet to not out, not to loose. So when it falls down, it won't fall like it falls on the
On the
ground.
floor? Okay.
Yes.
But what does the magnet do exactly?
It makes you hear. It's a special magnet.
Okay. Okay. So can I ask you, what does the magnet do?
Brava, Val.
Well done,
Vera
well
brava.
done, well done.
You did really well.
I'm the one who
Sit
did
down.
it.
Can you just sit down a bit, please?
Mommy, spiegana.
Mommy, tell us.
So pratikament Vali li għanet hija verità. Dik
Ma kienex tisma' xejn.
dik kienet għala daqsxejbina, ovvjament is-sensi tagħha kienu ktar saħħithom. So hija għandna videos baby fejn konna nitlu fejn wiċċa u kien ngħidula Val ġid komplimana ga għax kien tara l-ħadd jiċċaqla.
ċaqla.
Kif għalqet 1 year, inti ovvjament tippretendi iktar lil-baby tipo għandek tar milestones. U konna ngħidu Val, u Valentina għadma tagħmel reactions. L-istin tal-om dejjem kien jgħid li xi ħaġa. Imma fl-istess perjodu fejn bdejt inħoss xi ħaġa, il-mami bdiet tgħidli, sewġi kollox naqa' kollox ma' kollox.
Okay.
Mela l-mama qajtlu wkoll tipo
Tibda tħoss.
mela mhux jien biss.
Fimtek, anke l-mamma għadit tara.
Mela. Dik xaħġa li inti l-istin tal-om
Mhux
ċaħġa li
ovvja,
tħoss. Il-mami, jisa l-mami tgħidlek xi ħaġa tgħid l-allu mela alarming taf kif. Konna l-għalqa kien hemm il-fireworks. U t-tifat uħti għajjatu storbju bħafna panik, ovvijament għax il-ħost tal-fireworks bdew idejquha u Valentina xejn. Dak n-sibt, it-tnejn ġejna l-isptar, ovvijament. ċerta għadni kont għadni sib dil-lekku għan iċċekkja, ma nafx I was not ready.
Tkun għadda zaħira.
Mux jek konnejtu lej, forsi ma sejdu li xejn, taf kif għajtni għajsni, let's think positive speech, ma kienx il-kas. Għax ovvijament ma tħanna l-isptar, un bat għaleb ħajtek, għax inti t-tallem u koll fuq il-magic ear, fuq il-cochlear implant. Pratikament dik apparat super speċjali.
X'ismu, sorry?
It's a cochlear implant.
Okay.
Cochlear implant. Fejn jaddi made up noise, ġivri, mill-magnet, jaddi il-sound
Through the bone structure?
through the brain, and he's able to hear. Ġivri, dik ma tistax tisma leħnek, jew leħnek, jew leħni, dik tisma kollox l-istess. Unbelievable, no? Vera unbelievable.
Xirri tisma kollox l-istess, spiegali.
L-istess
It's a
leħen.
made up noise, eżatt. It's a robotic noise, brava. It's a robotic
Wow.
noise,
Which she gets used to,
which she gets
and
used
then
to.
it's her normality.
And it's really ma tikber ma sax nidava how do you hear, because she's going to tell me, I hear normal, because her normal is not
Is
my
that,
normal.
exactly.
There's no normal.
There is no normal.
No, there's no normal.
Ek dejna najdu fil-podcast
Kumbinazzjoni fil-podcast.
li għadda.
And it's part of the process, because
We are all different
Exactly.
and beautiful.
Mela,
Ħana li kiena xtaqt namela u kol din-intervista, jiena nemmen li meta taqsam l-istoria tijak, tkellem il-nis oħra, tkun għaddejm l-istejjer li kunu vera jixtu jismawhom dak l-istejjer. Jien per eżempju, kemm meta għaddejt mill-ansjetà, u anka per eżempju, jiena minn żmien kelli what għandi actually, ovarian cyst. U ġennint ma tasabuj li kelli 7 centimeters u ħafna informazzjoni ta' tista' tkun u hekk. Imma l-fatt li stajt insib nies li għaddew mill-istess ħaġa, li stajt insaqsihom id-domandi, li isek tagħmel kuraġġ, li taf li għaddew minna, naħseb vera importanti u naħseb da żmien isna tlifna da sens ta' komunità li isma' taqsam l-istorja tiegħek u together we're much stronger than meta tkun waħdek.
Yes,
Anka,
yes.
l-għannet f-sens ta' support, imma ma tanka f-sens ta' informazzjoni. Int għax inti li tkun għaddejm il-problema.
Mux hekk, mux hekk.
Tifhem ħafna iktar problema mill-li ta' jien kultant hekk nara. Nippreferi pereżempju kelli ċesta, kont isib iktar informazzjoni b'minex biċ-ċesta kuljum milli mit-tobba li.
Mux ovvja.
tkun qed tirreferi għal the right proper of information, because ħajaddu, ħajkunu jafu minn xed tgħaddi mill.
Eżatt, għax u bija bħalek.
And this is my point, you know. I want to help people out there, I want to help mothers out there.
Yes, yes,
It's hard
yes.
to find acceptance, let's face it.
La jena femmin għandi tifla u kol, and nafeżax ġifiri, what you want and what you
Absolutely,
fear. and what
il-futur
you-
tagħha, il-destin
Mhux
tagħha
ovvja,
kif
le.
ħatkun.
But Valentina
But
is
she's
super
awesome.
awesome.
Naħseb jekk ma milċej, naħseb I
Eh?
taught her to be that being different is okay, and I told her that she's beautiful.
Aren't we all different?
Guys, we're all different.
Aren't we all different?
We're all different. Abigail has this situation, you have this situation, I have a situation with my eyes. I have keratoconus, it's a particular.
I think all these situations
And we
make
all
us
have
who
it.
we are.
And this is who we are, and we just walk on. move
What do you
on.
think, Val?
So what do you want?
What do you think?
What do you want to do when you're older? When you're grown up, all grown up?
My mother already knows. Tell her.
Oh,
No,
what
but
you?
he asked you.
You.
I hear it from you.
I know everything.
You tell us.
Your mommy
I'm
knows
your
everything.
mother.
What
But
do you
yeah,
want to
tell-
do?
tell
I
me.
didn't.
I really love animals.
Okay.
When I see one dead, but it's not mine, I still cry.
You cry.
I
know.
cry
What's wrong?
every time I see one dead.
What animals do you have at home?
A lot.
You have a lot
Wait,
of
no,
animals.
that's not at home. At Nana's farm.
But not
That's
ours.
nice.
She
Okay.
has chickens,
Baby.
baby chickens, rabbits.
Baby
Aren't animals
rabbits.
amazing?
Nice.
The best things.
Baby lambs.
Yes.
Nice.
And a lot of chickens. But grown-ups.
No, big,
What's-
adult chickens, proper chickens.
You have a favorite animal?
Huh?
You have a favorite animal?
A bunny.
A what?
Small bunnies. Look, I have another friend. She's more beautiful than me. More. Don't say it. She's more beautiful than me.
Kemm helwa.
I didn't even say nothing.
But she's more beautiful than
How old
me.
is
Guess
your
who it is? Kate.
Kate, absolutely.
How old is Kate?
Huh?
How old is Kate?
She's good.
How old? How old?
7. She's older.
She's older than you.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, mela wait.
But we're still
Wait
friends.
until
We
you
don't
say.
care about the age.
Of course. She's older than me, and we're still.
You are
friends.
so cool, Valentina. You're cool.
I know.
I
I didn't say nothing. I didn't say nothing. Because in my eyes, you are the most beautiful girl in the whole wide world.
Eżatto.
I'm your mother.
For you, I'm the most beautiful girl. But for me, I'm uglier than Kate.
No.
Yes, no, something
You
else.
have all the right.
Listen.
You have all the right to feel
Valentina,
that way. Because she loves
ugly.
her so
No one's
much.
ugly.
No.
No one's ugly.
No, but I am ugly.
No, you're gorgeous. And do you know
Awesome.
you're really cool?
When you see me one day with her, you see we are matching, eh?
Vere,
You're
vere.
matching. But you know you're really cool. You're cool, eh? You know.
No, we are both cool.
But I'm talking about you right now.
Can I ask a question?
I don't know, Kate.
Can
I know
ask
you.
a question to
Go
the
for
lady?
it. Go for it.
So this technology
Her name is Janica.
is I know. Your
Stop
mommy's
saying
name is.
lady. She has a name.
Is she a lady?
She's a lady, but you can call her name.
Are you
The
a
way
lady?
You call my name.
Honestly,
you call
I
my
think
name,
you
but not
forgot
her.
my name. but that is the
Janica,
problem.
I know her name is
I know.
Janica. Okay, look, I'm gonna write it with I'm gonna cut it in my hand, like Janica. So this technology, it's something new, relatively new.
New.
How long has it
I
been?
had to learn about it.
So, how did you find out about it, if I may ask?
Mela, let me tell you how I found it.
Bil-Malti.
Bil-Malti,
Carlos,
Kif skoprejt
Għara kemmu
il-teknoloġija?
tajjeb, ħana li fuq suġġett ieħor, kemmu tajjeb li tifresh pat il-ħaddieħor. Mela jiena kont fi żmieni meta obviously I had to ask. Naqra bil-Malti.
Fidejk.
Mela, kien hemm parents li twildu bħal Valentina, li huma ikbar minn Valentina, li
It-tfal tagħhom.
L-tfal tagħhom. U dawn kienu jisom firxu l-triq tagħna għaliex. Għax it-teknoloġija mal-żmien avvanzat daw kellhom mhux easy peasy journey, daw kellhom il-wires ma darhom. They had pack li ġorruha, ma ġeri ma kellhomx
Niftakar jiena, naf kont naf.
ma kellhomx journey faċli. So lek tajjeb li titkellem ma' parents bħal
Li titkellem ma' nies.
X'inti?
Kemm importanti nixtieq
Ħafna.
nerġa' ngħidha dil
U
ħaġa
jiena
jekk
fi
għaddej
żmien
minn xi
xtaqt.
ħaġa,
Xtaqt.
laqwa ħaġa tista' tagħmel tfittex nies li għaddew minna ħajjejnuk. U dawk in-nies jieħdu pjaċir jgħinu. Jiena li għaddejt mill-ansjetà, meta jkellmuni nies fuq l-ansjetà nuħu pjaċir. Għax naf li jien xtaqt minn vera
Jina palissa
xtaqt.
sa' kemm nitkellem għandi żewġ parents sar jiġifieri jisom saru jafu bina xina
alright.
I share on Instagram u kollox
x'inti ħadsejt
ħoss
dik,
li Valentina qedtejn in-nies għax jiena jekk jaraw il-Valentina, jekk jaraw kif inhi, konfidenti kif inhi. Dik it-tifra tiegħi
Listen, I was not as self-confident as you at your age. I was such a shy girl. You are so self-confident.
Kapaċi. Our kids were going to move mountains.
Yes.
Of course.
You're amazing.
You are.
Għalhekk naħseb li
You're amazing. And stop comparing yourself to other girls, Emma.
Yes, but that's something she learns.
We are all beautiful. I don't want to hear again, I am uglier than this girl. Yeah.
Come on.
I feel I'm the most, I feel I'm the best, like the prettiest 45-year-old in the world. I look in the mirror and say, I love you. I love you.
I think tant kem
Mish biased
tħobba.
shade.
Lili, tant kem she's in love
no,
with her
no,
best
no.
friend. Tant kem she's so in love.
That's so
with
nice, though.
Kate.
How
Li-
sweet.
There is no jealousy in
U
a
dik
way.
l-età, ekku, dik
And there
l-età,
is no
eżatt.
jealousy. So
That's so
in a
nice.
way, there is no
At that
jealousy.
age, memx
That's so nice.
That creeps in as you grow
That's-
older and society
And
starts
they
to...
share and they...
That's so nice.
so,
eh?
so
And there's nothing nicer than having a best
We share drinks,
Friend.
we share food,
Everything.
share everything.
Oops. Dik it-tazza ħataqa xi ħin.
We share everything.
How sweet.
Everything in our whole life.
Tul iż-żmien, hemm iktar proċessi li jsiru.
Mela, issa l-kbira għadda.
Eżatt, orla.
Parti mill-proċess li kbar proċess u li twal proċess kien biex nalmuha kif
Soon we are
tisma'.
getting the same age.
Sorry?
Biex jalmuha kif
U
tisma'.
l-iktar proċess tqil kien, tqil, insomma, it's a long process li ħdimna ħafna li ħadmet ħafna. Mela di baby qatt ma samat xejn, completely in her silent word. So, operation, case, nażik speech, sign language, ABRs, bla 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 bla.
Okay, all right.
Dumu sada. So, meta minnila l-operation, u aħna għamilnila il-Magic Hair, show them the Magic Hair, Val, how is it?
This
Eżatt.
and this.
With also this.
Eżatt, dik il-magnet.
They go together, that's the
Eżatt.
magnet, okay.
Inti tittallima li per eżempju, xaġa vera banali, li jett tisma val. Val. Mela, xi tagħmel meta tisma val? Li trid tiddawwar wiċċa u tirreaktija għal-ħoss.
Tallima tagħmel tip ta' lezzjoni.
Kemm kellha żmien?
1.4 kollox.
Għada baby kienet.
Kollox għadu 1.4, ġifieri 1 year, ma jiena tlift kważi sena u 4 xhur fl-isbaħ żmien ta' speech ebigi. Meta l-moħħ ikun qed jixrob kollox.
Żgħira kbira sena u 4 xhur.
L-speech tagħha jiena rrid naġġel il-proċess biex nigwadani dak li tlift.
Yes.
Fint? Ridna pereżempju għall-mugħallim meta jkun hemm.
Inti tidher mara determinata,
ħafna.
Imma plus imbagħad ta' l-esperjenza ħana jlek tagħmlek ta'.
Neħejt in-negattività kollha minn ħajti and I just focus on her.
Mbagħad x'kien l-pass li x'jonqos?
Mbagħad pereżempju, ġifieri daw huma l-affarijiet therapy, speech therapy whatsoever, ridna nafsu, pereżempju, nagħmlu games, meta morru l-isptar, pereżempju nagħmlu games li irridu nagħmluha kif tisma' pereżempju minn the new one, ġifieri nagħmlu games fejn tisma' ħoss jew vibration jew tune u jekk tisma' titpoġġi il-blokk. Ħalli aħna insibula the right volume, għadik by the way, ħana meta naġġestjaw il-volume, meta naġġestjaw il-volume, irridu naraw li varet tkun komda.
Sottu loud.
Volume, sottu loud.
Ma per esempio loud music su għek jaffetwa differenti, television,
Ma toħx peċi.
Anka,
Nifhmux għax jinhu pjaċir sewa.
Ma tantx teħu peċi, għax inti taf kemm ma kakka, dik taf x'tagħmel xi dabba per
Ma kakka,
kakka ġifieri xi naqbad inkun qed forsi ngħajjat jew nkella neqret biex pereżempju bedtime taqbad taqlaħhom.
I love it.
Tunes you up.
I love it.
That is.
She's smiling.
Listen, she's gonna have the best relationships in the world.
Yeah.
The best.
When your boyfriend is being annoying, just tune
Oh
him
my
out.
God, she's gonna have the best relationships ever.
Don't say that again to my mother.
Because
Listen. Don't you think that your mother doesn't know? Because she knows what's in here.
You.
Exactly.
From very far
Listen,
away.
no one knows you as much as your mother. No one knows you as much as your mother.
Exactly.
Talk now, say.
So, I'm telling this to my mother. So, look, he is my friend, but I call him boyfriend. Like, look, it's a boy.
Does she need a boyfriend when
How
she
old are you
grows
again?
up? I tell her that she
How old
doesn't
are you
need a
again?
boyfriend when
So,
she grows
look,
up.
it's a boy. There's a boy and a friend.
And he's your friend.
So he's my friend, so I'll just call him boyfriend.
She's a boyfriend.
Xtajdin anti, Janica, kieku kellek l-aħħar messaġġ biex
Mela,
tagħlaq.
jina nishtiq li if there's any parent out there, if there's anyone who wants my help, if they want to see Valentina, if they want to ask us question, if they want
About
to
this
ask us
situation, yes.
Because it's a long story. I mean, not a long story. You have to go enough
Check.
process it. ABR, sign language, whatsoever.
To reach out?
We are more than very happy to help out.
Janica kunjom
X'Kembri?
fuq Instagram?
Yes,
Janica,
Instagram,
Zom.
WhatsApp,
Għanik
whatever.
taf x'Kembri. Cutting your surname into
Lady.
Janica x'Kembri.
And mine, what is it?
Valentina, that I know.
No,
Valentina.
you have to guess
X'Kembri.
it.
I hope. No, what?
X'Kembri?
Guess what?
My surname, guess it.
X'Kembri? Maybe. No. Okay, I think it's an interesting challenge.
Carlos, ħanarmiwlek il-mobile.
I have a
Ma jafx
magic- no, I
ġifiri
have a
sajna.
magic mobile and my mobile doesn't obey orders. I have a magic mobile and I have a magic business partner.
What does
U
it say?
fuq livell ta' mela to reach out, ma fuq livell ta' minn għaddej minn dik is-sena li diskrivejt fej isek ma tafx laqtek. X'parir tagħti. Carlos.
I just did. I just put it airplane mode. I told you, it's a crazy mobile. It's a crazy mobile. It's an airplane mode. Go
Jiena
for it.
qedaw.
Ara,
Qed ngħidu
nafx
affarijiet.
naqbad najt, I mean nafx, għax hemm ħafna f'xnajt. Pero f'sentenza nista' ngħid li good things will come for everyone.
Good things will come for everyone.
Absolutely.
And jien kikun zid to reach out.
Yes, exactly. I was going to say it.
Perfect.
Guys, reach
Don't
out.
face things alone.
Eżatt.
Never.
In every situation.
Thank you for coming.
Thanks,
Wow,
well. It
you
was a
enjoyed
pleasure
it?
getting to know
What's
you.
my surname?
That's it.
What,
Let's
okay.
help
What
you.
does it
No,
start?
no, no.
What does
Well,
it
let's
start?
help
No,
with?
the question is this.
The first
How
letter.
should I manage to know your
Exactly.
surname?
It starts with a G.
Gat.
God Grek.
Galia.
No.
Gasmin.
Them. Don't.
Girlando.
Girlando.
Nope.
Grek.
Grek.
Gr.
Gr.
Help him.
It's orange.
Grima.
No.
Gramina. Gravina.
Gr. Tafu, guys. Gr.
Help them with a sh. Help them with a sh.
After
Aiden did it.
Okay, we got it.
Guys, thank you so
Valentina,
much.
Grishti.
Thank you, Valentina.
Janica, I forgot the surname.
Cambridge.
Għandi problema biex.
Thank you.
Thank you so much tal-li ġejt.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Proset
you.
ħafna, well done. Keep following your dream, become a vet, and you're gonna
And
love
come
it.
see our dogs whenever you want.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
Ciao. Bye guys, thank you very
guys.
much. Thanks.
Bravo.
Bravi! Take Two tixtieq tirringrazzja lil Hansa Wines and Spirits, onlineintimates.com, Nokla, Customized Nation, Snow White Meat and Poultry Market, Eden Cinemas, Fior di Vita, OK Home, CMYK, Donut King,